Good morning, students. In this video, I am sending you the explanation of email writing, that how to write an email. So let's start the explanation. What is an email? Email is a short for electronic mail. It is the short form of electronic mail. Mail, you know, that sending the letters, sending the messages, that is known as mail. It's a modern method of transmitting data, text files, digital photos, audio, and video files from one computer to another over the internet. Means email. As earlier, we used to write the letters, postcards, telegrams, but now in Digi era, we are sending the emails, and that emails they are used for transmitting the datas. Any information we want to send, or we want to send any files or photos or audio and videos. Even audio and videos could be sent through the email, and that we are sending and over the internet, means with the help of the internet we used to send these emails. Now, email writing format. This is the format for writing an email. Firstly, that the email it is being written in the box. Then you need to make the columns of it. Like the first column, it is from. In from, you need to write the sender's email ID. See, when you have to send an email, the first thing you need to have is your email ID. And email ID are made on various sites of IDs like gmail.com, Rediffmail, Yahoo, all these sites. Then, firstly, you will write your address in that. Then, two. Two is in the two column, you will be writing the receivers or the recipient's emails ID, means whom you are writing an email, whom you are sending a message. Then you have CC. CC is the carbon copy, and means that if you will add the address of any other recipient also in this column, then the same message will be sent to the other person also without typing it next time. Means if you will write the CC, so the same email message will be sent to the other person as well. Then we have BCC. In this, the ID will not be shown, it will be sent, the message, the mail will be sent to various people with invisible IDs. Then the column of subject comes. Subject means, in the subject what you will be writing? In the subject you will be writing that what is the reason of writing an mail. Like in the formal letters we used to write the subjects to give an idea that what is the letter all about. In the same way we are writing the subject in the mails. Then the salutation. In the salutation you supposed to address the person like dear or respected, to whomsoever you are writing an email. Then the main body. The main content of the email will come after the salutation, in which you will be writing the introduction, then you will be describing your subject, and then the conclusion. Then after that you have the closing. Closing is the ending statement. Ending statement I have already explained you that how the ending statement is being written. Then the attachments. Attachment means ki if you want to attach something along with the email, like any file you need to send with the message, any photo, any video you need to send, so you will be sending along with that. Then the last, signature line, and in the signature line you will be writing your name, you will be giving the regards, and you will end it up while signing it up with your name. So this is the format of writing an email. Now, here is one example which I am sending you. Write an email to the chairman of municipal board asking permission to use the local football field as parking ground for one evening. Now, in this you have to send an email to the chairman, and you have to you are taking a permission to for the football field as a parking ground. Now, this is the Example, this is the solution of the question which I have given. You can read and you have to write this in your notebook. Along with this, I am sending you one question to be done in your notebook. So this question you will be doing in the notebook. You are a member of the district library. Write an email to the chief librarian requesting for more books in the children's section. Give reason to support your request. Means you will be writing an email to the chief of the library and asking him to send more books for the children's section. So students, I guess you have understood the format, and this question also you need to do in your notebook. Thank you. Bye.